My grandson, Ryder Martin. He is going to be a pro racer, and I am making it right now. I'm already making it, Ryder. Go. Stay out of the front yard. And he is going to be a pro rider. And who's two of his favorites? Hill and Dungey are his two favorites. And this man is his...
about Jimmy Jr., his trainer.
This man is his trainer, his sponsor, his financier. But let's focus on Ryder. And here's Taz, his little puppy. Taz, where did Ryder go? Where did Ryder go? And he's coming we've got a track around 5 acres for him to practice on. So we're just going to go over here and see if we can't spot him in the back. There he is, bumping up and down. And here's his pig, Porker. Yep, there's Porker. That is Ryder's pig. Well, actually, it's Jimmy's pig, but Ryder feeds Porker most of the time. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Porker? Are you hungry? There's Ryder over there. He's probably about to do a small jump.
Get back.
And there he goes. And it's starting to rain. I'm gonna go feed Porker real quick. Have a good day, everybody. That was Ryder Martin.